You guys, behind me is the projector that we are using to watch our movies at night, and this is amazing. I am thrilled. My kids are in love because this thing is adjustable, so the further your projector is, the bigger the screen. And I mean, it's like 3 times more than my regular TV, which is like so awesome. Let's dive in, unbox it, and see how it works. I can immediately see all the accessories box right here. Inside, we actually have the projector. Let's grab this out. Here we go. Yep, it's got foam all around, so it's nice and safe. Let's put it back this way and unbox it together. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Here it's coming. Oh, look at that. It's the projector part over here. Inside of accessory box, we got cables. We have remote, of course. We've got another cable and obviously a manual here with all the other things. Okay, I'm excited to put this together, connect it, and actually have a movie night because this is exciting. I think it's going to be our movie night staple from now going forward. I want to show you the huge size. I mean, this is incredible. And obviously the further you are, the bigger the screen is. Just to show you in perspective, here we are. I absolutely love the ability to place it anywhere you want. You can actually put some brackets and install it on the wall, but we prefer to be flexible and have the ability to take it from room to room or take it outside. I love that you can officially stream from apps like Netflix, Video Prime, YouTube, Kids YouTube, I mean other apps. It's insane. It has 1080p 4K support, and it has autofocus, just correction of the screen and alignment, and it's just like so amazing. You also got dual speakers, and it's pretty loud. I love that. You can connect it to Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, and just stream it like that. It's just so amazing. Super easy to use. It literally took me a few minutes to figure it out. And right now, let's just watch something. Again, I love the rich Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube interface and how easy it is to operate and set up. Let's do it now. Okay, I'm turning on this cozy fall-like vibes. I love this music. I love this in my background. You can also do a travel theme. And then at night, it is even better. Look at the quality. It's insane. You can move it anywhere you want to. We are extremely pleased with this product and highly recommend it.